More than half of all new selling model rollouts don't achieve their intended objectives. Why? Quantum learning has identified 6 factors that derail selling model rollouts. The first factor is that the model is designed by a committee instead of objective research. Most companies get a handful of experienced performers in a room and pull from past experience in other markets and other clinical contexts in order to create the model. There's some benefits to doing it this way, but without objective research, it's hard to pinpoint the real drivers of success in your business, in your market, in your competitive environment, especially in a changing healthcare system. The second factor is that the new selling model looks great on PowerPoint, but doesn't work in the field. Many pieces are excellent, but they rarely gel into a coherent system that works in the real world. Patient-centered medical home, accountable care organizations, and the drive toward health economics and outcomes research are rarely addressed in the new selling model and are typically bolted on as an afterthought when reps run into resistance. The third factor is that there's no sustained pull-through or integration with existing systems. The rollout of the new selling model is a single event, and clear expectations are never truly established, measured, or reinforced. So within a few months, no one is focusing on it anymore, and it quickly fades into the background. The fourth factor is that there isn't a clear line of sight between brand strategy and face-to-face execution. Product managers have no stake in the process. They have no idea what the selling model is, how it works, or how to leverage it to achieve their brand goals. The selling model isn't truly integrated into the brand development process, so fewer appropriate patients get on therapy and stay on therapy. The fifth factor is that experienced, often skeptical salespeople roll their eyes at yet another new selling model. Most experienced reps have seen more new selling models than they care to remember, causing them to be cynical about the value of any new model, frequently challenging but most often simply ignoring it. The final factor that derails success is that senior leadership stops paying attention. Their focus drifts and the initiative dies. The best implementations have a 2-year arc built in from the beginning to ensure that everyone is truly buying in up front and that the initiative is thoroughly pulled through. So how do we overcome these 6 factors and build a new selling model that changes the future? The answer is simple. It's not just about building a better selling model. It's about elevating the total customer experience. It's about creating impact. It's about moving the needle. It's about reimagining customer engagement. Call now to learn how quantum learning can help your sales force change the future by reimagining customer engagement.